Okay guys, so whoever needs to know, this is Phil from Grout Perfect Queenstown. We'll just give you a quick rundown on this job we're doing in the beaches. Stand by. So on suite number one, floor's just drying at the moment. Colour sealed the floor completely, tidied it all up. New silicone around the toilet base. New shower strip on the bottom of the shower. New grout in the shower floor. Relined the drain and colour sealed the wall. So that's all been protected now, including new silicone all the way around the interior. So that is shower number one. Nice new shower strip there too. You'll see that it has to be set up in a certain way. You've got to have the strip on the outside, not the inside, otherwise that door is very difficult. Bathroom number one of three. Bathroom number two, colour sealed the floor. All looking really, really nice. Gone and replaced, or should I say installed a new tile down the back that's just drying. So we've installed a new tile down there where the tile was missing. We've gone and put a shower strip on this door, brand new grout in the shower floor, readdressed and realigned the drain, colour sealed all the walls, and installed new silicone all the way around. So that's looking really good as well. It doesn't take much. You don't have to rip all these bathrooms out and spend 20,000 on them. You can get them restored and refreshed back for sort of 10% of that. So that's bathroom number two of three. Bathroom number three, still in the stages of completion. Colour sealed all the floor, looking really good now. Silicone's going to be replaced. We've just done the uprights, we've done all the shower wall, all colour sealed. Just see that's a beautiful universal colour. A couple of little areas I just need to tidy up on, which I will. And then we'll just wait for the new grout in the shower floor to set. And then we're going to install some nice silicone around the base as well. So everything's looking good as assessed as quoted. So we've probably got a couple of hours to go before we complete this. Cleaners can come in at the beginning of next week. This is Phil. Just a very brief point of note, you will not need cleaners in these bathrooms at all. Okay, you want to have them to reset the apartment obviously, so you can then sell the apartment space. But there'll be no cleaning needed in any of these bathrooms. We're a mess-free service and we've got a very, very good eye for detail. So there'll be no dust anywhere, there'll be no cleaning needed, it'll just be a reset. Just making that point clear so that saves the client additional cost that is not necessary. That's how we operate. Grout Perfect. Thanks very much. This is Phil.